Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. If you are new here, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, today I'll be showing you how to apply foundation, concealer, and contour like a pro. So, let's go. Before applying any makeup, make sure you're washing your face with a gentle cleanser that will support your skin type and remove all the dirt and bacteria from your face for flawless skin. Next, make sure that the towel you are using is clean and gently pat your face to remove the extra water from your skin. And then you're good to go. So the most important step to apply moisturizer to your skin, because your face is like a canvas. Make sure your skin is moisturized and wait for at least 5 minutes before you apply foundation so that your moisturizer should sink into your skin. So the next step is to apply the primer. Take little amount of primer on your palms as it helps reduce the appearance of pores, fine lines and other blemishes. One more advantage of primer is that it evens out the skin tone and keeps your makeup in place without smudging, and it gives you a airbrush look. You can also use aloe vera gel as a primer. It is a natural ingredient, and trust me guys, I have already tried and tested aloe vera gel as a primer and it works like a miracle. So make sure you are taking that primer to your neckline, because there you have to apply the foundation too. Next, I'm taking the foundation. Your foundation can be in any form. It can be a stick foundation, it can be a powder one, or it can be a compact one. So today I'll be showing you how to apply foundation with a brush and a beauty blender both. Half of the face I'll apply with a brush. So here I'm taking a flat brush and applying that foundation. Make sure you're not rubbing that brush onto your face as it can irritate your skin. Generally, I don't prefer brush to apply my foundation because I think it takes too much product onto your skin, which is hard to blend. Next, I'll be taking my damp beauty blender on half of my face. So the advantage of a beauty blender is that it takes less amount of product onto your skin and it gives you a smooth and flawless base. And make sure you are dabbing that foundation onto your skin. Please do not rub your beauty blender onto your skin, as it will take away the product and your foundation will start looking cakey. And you have to blend that foundation to have an airbrush look. Next, I am taking my concealer, and make sure that your concealer is one shade lighter to your foundation. So I am applying under my eyes, my eyelid, forehead, bridge of the nose, around my mouth and chin. So the benefit of applying concealer is it refreshes your tired looking eyes and covers dark circle, and it also reduces any puffiness, blemishes, scars and any imperfections on your face. Applying concealer on your T-zone makes your face more bright and awake. So recently I have got some breakouts on my skin, so I'm going again with the concealer and trying to make it look more seamless. This is an optional step. If you think that you need more coverage for any kind of dark circles or scars, you are free to do that. It makes your skin look more flawless. So next step is to set that concealer with any kind of translucent or compact powder, as powder will help soak up the excess oil and make your eyes look more awake, and it also smoothens out any uneven texture. And you have to apply that translucent powder onto your T-zone where you have already applied the concealer. So next step is to contour. Choose always 2 shades darker than your base. And you have to use an angled brush. This is the guideline. Make a fish face, and contour makes your forehead look smaller, nose narrower, lips fuller. Then take a brush and start applying from your cheekbone towards the mouth, and you have to diffuse the color towards your mouth. Contour gives a shadow effect onto your face, and it helps enhance and sculpt the structure. And don't forget to apply the contour onto your jawline. These steps make your face look really sculpted. So next I'm making sure that my foundation is diffused well. Next, take a same beauty blender and dab it onto your face. This helps remove any harsh lines and your face will look more seamless. So that's my complete look. Hope you all will enjoy it, and thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So till then, take care, bye bye, see you in my next video.